Hi everyone, hope that you are well. Today I want to focus on presenting the new features introduced by Dialux in the latest version 12.1. As you can see here on the top of my screen, the Dialux Evo 12.1. If you did not see the last video where I presented the features of the new version from Dialux related to Luminaire Finder and services, please check the video. You'll find under this video description. Today, as I said, the focus is more on the, let's say, on a working on project. As you can see it here, we have an amphitheater already configured with it of also the lighting. But I want to see what's new in this version and dive into the new features together. And we will start with the first feature, which it pops up into into my attention. And then it's about the two buttons. So now we have a navigate backward button and one forward. I think that's new, or at least in the version which previously we used the 10.1. I did not see this feature, so now this is the first thing which I want to highlight. And then a second thing which I have seen is this particular button, the facade elements. I think that's very cool when you want to do, for example, a daylight calculation. Now you have the option that you can use these elements on the facade where you have windows, and therefore you have two types of the mounting. You see, for example, you can add it inside of a building, or this external Venetian blind can be mounted on the outside. So this new feature definitely will impact the daylight calculation when you want to run such an example, or you have to do that. Another feature which I have seen is on the, I will go on the lighting, and here I have seen a very nice new icon, which is the energy demand. And if I click on it, yeah, I did not do any exercise, let's say. I did not use it, but you can see here that also in the past we have a measuring point, but now I have seen a very nice icon also here, display energy consumption. So I will just close this one. Just move and go back to this energy demand, and you can close it and then just click here once again. And here it's a diagram with a, I'll just zoom out, with a potential saving. I don't know how it was calculated. Here we have a legend with all the parameter which have been taken in account, but I did not do anything by myself. I did not set up any daylight sensor or motion sensors, or choose a daylight control. Everything have been done automatically by the software itself. I guess based on the application. And here we can see already a couple of parameters which are on the potential savings. For example, we have a maximum energy demand, which is 1710 kilowatt hour per year. You can click also the icon with the to find out more information how it was calculated. So here we have a more information is, for example, the energy consumption of 4 luminaires at full duty cycle, 24 hours per 7 days. And then we have an estimated energy demand, which is lower. And if you want to know how it was taken in account, we just need to go above the information button circle, and then we have an estimated energy demand according with yen standard 50,193. So it's very well done by Dialux. I find very nice all this information which are being displayed, and especially these potential savings, which we did not have it in the previous versions of Dialux. And then Lanil, which is the lighting energy numeric indicator, as well. You will find all the information here, the costs, the CO2 price per kilowatt hour, the currency here, of course, I guess it can be editable based on your region. Let's see if it's changing. Not really, it did not change too much. Let's exaggerate. I'll just try to see what's happening. No, it stays the same. So as I said, I have to work more with this new feature to find out yeah, how it works actually. And then I see here a configuration. You have the space, application. We can go on details. Yeah, so this is based on the 12 EN 12,04064. You have also, based on your location, you can use US and Japan. That's nice as well. And here we see a template as well. That's good. Now you close, and here the start time 8 o'clock and time. So here as well you can customize based on the real schedule, days per week, absence factor, location. Yeah, that's important as well. And here we have also checklists like sensor measurement points, daylight controlled. As I said, I did not choose anything. Windows and Windows included. Here it took automatically based on my space, which I configured by myself. So we can see that we have 3 windows, 3 one side, 3 on the other side. So the software is quite accurate on this information. So that's, I found it as well very nice as well. So here I will be keen to work more and find more information for a real example, which I will do in one of my next videos. And let's see, I found another feature with which was about the lighting. You go on the light luminaires. Here I have seen this feature about the Dialux services, which I find it nice, and this is something new. And also, if you want to know how it works and how you may benefit, let's say in this way, here it's a short description. Practically, you have a suitable luminaires. You can receive a suggestion for the suitable luminaires from the manufacturer. Of course, here it's more about if also the manufacturer's interest, and come back with an answer based on your requirement. But that's a very nice feature. As I said, I like it. That's something new. And here, if you want to know more about the brand, which is in this case, you see it here, you can go to the brand, and then you find very nice information. I don't want to make any, how can I say, advertise or speak, but I think it's very nice that we have also some information about this manufacturer luminaires. And then you have also open luminaire list, which in the past was not here, and it's very easy to select. So I think that's also a step forward, how we can choose the luminaire. I like it in this way, how they display it. And here you have also detail view. So you have more possibility how you check it. So yeah, that's all for today. What I want to highlight related to the new version of Dialux Evo 12.1. More on the inside part. In my previous video was about what's new before running a project, and here is more about the inside when you have a project, and how you can use it. And on the top also you have some settings. I think they were fast, but here you have also the calculation of the light, which I think is very nice, and you can calculate active light and yeah, just run entire project. So that's really cool. So guys, if you did not subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do so. Give a like to this video, and until next time, I wish you all the best. Take care of you. Bye.